Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are aiming for a career in the automotive industry, you are in the right place. Today I am going to talk about the most important tools that you need hands-on experience with to land a job in this automotive industry. From simulation to testing and everything in between, mastering these tools will give you an edge. So let's get started. As the automotive industry continues to evolve with cutting edge technologies, knowing the right tools is more crucial than ever. Let's break down each tool that will enhance your skill set. First up is MATLAB Simulink. If you are working with model based design, MBD, or control systems, this is your go to tool. Automotive companies like Tesla and Bosch use it to simulate complex vehicle systems such as powertrain and ADAS features. With hands-on experience, you will be able to design, simulate, and optimize systems for electric vehicles and autonomous driving technologies. Next, we have Canoi by Vector. This tool is essential for simulating and analyzing in-vehicle networks like CAN, LIN, and FluxRay. With Canoi, you can simulate entire vehicle networks or specific components, making it a vital tool for ECU testing. Gaining experience here is key for anyone looking to work with communication protocols and diagnostics in modern vehicles. IBM doors is crucial when it comes to requirement management, especially in safety critical systems like those in automotive sector. For anyone working on projects sticking to ISO 26262, knowing how to manage and track requirements with the doors ensure you stay compliant with the safety standards from concept to deployment. Well, let's move to hardware in loop or IL testing. This tool lets engineer test ECUs in controlled environment, simulating real-time conditions. Whether you are working on electric vehicle systems or autonomous driving software, HIL allows you to validate your systems before they hit the road. Many automotive companies rely on IL to catch bugs and defects early, so practical experience with it will set you apart. Another powerful tool is Vectorcast, which is widely used for testing embedded software in the automotive domain. Whether you are involved in unit testing or system level testing, Vectorcast ensures that your software performs perfectly. This is particularly important when you are developing software for safety critical applications like airbag or ABS systems. Well, next up is DSpace, which is another essential tool for system simulation and testing in automotive applications. DSpace allows engineers to conduct rapid control prototyping and IL testing. This is the key when developing control algorithms for systems like engine control units or advanced driver assistance systems ADAS. Well, for anyone working with embedded systems, AutoSAR is a must-known tool. It standardizes the software architecture for ECUs, making it easier for automotive engineers to integrate different modules. By mastering AutoSAR, you will be well prepared to work with companies that focuses on developing scalable and efficient vehicle software platforms. Well, next one is Polyspace by MathWorks is another critical tool, especially when it comes to verifying the correctness of your code. It's widely used for static analysis to detect runtime errors, proving that the software sticks to automotive safety standards like ISO 26262. Learning Polyspace can make a big difference, especially if you aim to work on safety critical systems. Last but not least, we have ETAS Inca. This tool is essential for measurement, calibration, and diagnostic tasks in the development of ECUs. With vehicles becoming increasingly software driven, gaining experience in calibration tools like Inca will give you an edge, especially when fine tuning vehicle performance. Well, guys, that's it. These are just a few of key tools that are shaping the automotive industry today. If you are aiming to get ahead, hands-on experience with these will be a game changer. The automotive world is evolving fast, and the best way to stay relevant is by consistently learning and practicing these tools. So, if you are serious about building a successful career in the automotive industry, start mastering these tools now. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, Make sure to hit the like button, share it with your network, and subscribe to my channel for more content on automotive technologies and career advice. See you next time.